What happened with Ault Alliance?
Let's see what's going on, but this situation is very strange to say the least. Look at this, we had another movement to the downside, very dramatic after the stock split that we announced 1 to 300. You know, this situation is kind of strange. You know, some people were commenting in the previous video about the numbers didn't up, something like that. So let us know in the comments if that was corrected or now it's everything correct. But obviously the situation of this company is very dramatic and we are watching things that are very strange, to say the least again. So maybe we should analyze this with other perspective.
Okay, what I can tell you about what happened is like after a reverse stock split, usually the price is corrected, but not all brokers do it, you know. It happens that the price you see like, oh, I have a call option with more than 10,000%. Okay, that's not real. They have to update this information, and when they update, you will see like actually you are experiencing losses because this is the chart updated by TradingView, so you can clearly see that after the stock split, the stock went down like crazy.
Exactly, it's not like the price went up to $16 from cents. It's quite the opposite, as you mentioned. You know, the price went even lower. You can see the percentage yesterday minus 16%. So when the price is updated with the number of shares, you will see that reflected. And you know, this is a very dramatic situation that this is difficult, you know, to comment, because right now I think that what can you do? I mean, in the past you could have cut your losses, you could have a different strategy, but if you were trapped inside this type of movement, and now it's like the end of the movement, but a never ending story, you know, because they could do this again and again and again, and you will see the price going lower once and once again. So as you have been in a very similar situation with one stock, I think, what can you like recommend?
You know, look at that. We have you take into consideration all the reverse stock splits in the history here at Ault Alliance. Look at that. The price of when it was trading at maximum levels, it was $1 million per share. It's like, look at what's happening. Like again and again, investors are paying the bills right here, and the stock is right now has a market cap of 26 million, and it's going down like crazy. So we are gonna end up like what, 1 million of market cap at this speed. This is incredible. I'm very sorry for those who are experiencing this type of losses with these stocks. The key takeaway here is to learn from your mistakes. It happened to me in the past. I remember buying a stock like before a capital increase, and a penny stock actually, and when that happened, it's like I experienced a loss of 90%, and it never happened to me twice, because you learn that you shouldn't put too much money into this type of stocks, because if you lose that money, you can even lose more, because you have to you go to these in capital increases to not to have your capital diluted again and again and again.
Yeah, exactly. It's a very difficult situation, and the best you can do, as you mentioned, is to learn from that experience. And obviously with this one, we have plenty of experience in this chart. We can analyze it once again. You can see the price action. Where could you have acted in a different way? You know, where could you have exited? What were the signals of the bearish market? In previous videos, we commented them. You know, when we were losing key support areas or trend lines, we're commenting, okay, this is very dangerous. Be careful, because we don't have a support. The price dropped 30-40%. From there, again, it found a support, but as soon as it broke out of it, we always mentioned risk management is key, and sometimes you have to cut losses. You know, sometimes the stock won't go up because the market does whatever it has to do, and it won't follow your desires, you know. So sometimes it's difficult to take that decision, but experience shows us that it is the way to go.
The most surprising thing about this stock is like it has been having this behavior for a while, and it's still alive. You know, I remember many other stocks, penny stocks we analyzed in the past. They are all in bankruptcy. They are all out of the market. But this one, it's still here.
Yeah, we. It seems like we have the earnings very soon. We don't know, because they are never exactly confirmed. But we will see, you know, if they release something new, we could see the price bouncing again to the upside, having one of those upside movements that we have also analyzed in the past. But as usual, when you see something like that and the company is still in losses, or you don't see like the price movement reflects the reality of the company or the situation of the market, take those profits, okay? Say thanks to the market, but then get out. That's from my experience. When you see those hype movements, the best idea is when you see some bearish signals, get out or at least take some partial profits.
So remember to watch more videos of Trading HD here on the right, and subscribe as well.
Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you.